guys, welcome back to Pot's Mama Bear Academy. Today we are making some Snowmen Snowflakes, and this is what it's gonna look like when it's done. Of course, it's gonna be hopefully the same size. So what you're gonna need is a square piece of paper, which you can take this and just do the triangle method, where you fold it at a point like this, and then you cut off the extra down here. Like this. And it doesn't have to be straight on this side, because what you're gonna do anyways is you're gonna end up folding it, and I'll show you with this. Okay, so I had my 5-year-old draw or scribble whatever colors he wanted, and he chose a bunch of, oh, I'm sorry, he just turned 6. No, 5.
Oh,
5.
I thought you were saying.
Okay, 5. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead and we're going to fold it into a triangle, and then we're gonna turn it and fold it up into a smaller triangle, and then finally we're going to fold it into an even smaller triangle. Now this next part, for these smaller papers, I seen a video where they go ahead and they use the quarter and a nickel, and then they just take their pencil, and I'm gonna do it a little bit higher up, and then we're gonna just trace half, just like that. And we're gonna slide it over to the other side, and we're going to do the same. I have to turn my paper because I am left-handed. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to just go ahead and trace again. Now this next step, you can do any design that you want at the bottom. I'm just going with one that they showed on the video, and I will try to find the video to link it. But they did like kind of like a heart shaped, and then they did another like half circle, or not even a half circle, I don't even know what to call this. And what I did for mine to get this little space or circle in the middle of this was I went ahead and I cut straight across. For the hat, all you're gonna do is go ahead and draw out, and then draw up. Make your lines as straight as possible. And you can do an even taller, like a shorter one on one side and then a taller hat on the other. And then next, all we're going to do is take our scissors. If you're doing this with little ones, I suggest the safety scissors, so that way they're not cutting themselves. So this is all we're gonna do. And if you guys hear scribbling in the back, it's my daughter, she's coloring her paper. So I just went ahead and went like this. And it's up to you how you want to cut your paper. I just tried to cut as close as I can to the lines without cutting yourself. So now I'm going to go into this V that we made down here. And then I'm going to take the other side and do the same thing. And we're just cutting we're just cutting where the lines are. Oh my goodness, this is like really hard. Okay, I should have just did that in the first place. Okay, so now we're gonna again just cutting off as much as you can through this whole process right here, so that way you don't have as much to cut off when you're going in to get the little details. Now I'm gonna go straight down into the V again, and then just take that big chunk out. So then now all you have to do is just cut your little lines and finish up the little details like here, and going into you're just going into the little areas. Smaller scissors may have been a little bit better for this project, but these are the only ones that I can find right now without having to dig through any boxes or anything. Okay, so for this part, you don't have to follow the curve exactly. This is what I did, is I just kind of made like a little triangle. And then I'm going to do the same on this side. And I'm actually going to stop the video right here really quick and turn on the light after I snip off this little part right here. Okay, so I will go turn on the light and then finish up right here, and then come back and show you guys what we have. Okay, so I'm just finishing up the last little round piece right here where I need to cut out. Okay. So now that we have all of this, let me go ahead and put that in our little scrap paper box. And then all we're gonna do is just open this very carefully. We don't want to rip it. You can make your snowman a little bit fatter if you want a little fat snowman, but this is how it looks. And I think these are super adorable. You can do these with your kids. It's super cute. Anyways, we will stop right there, and we will see you guys in our next video. Bye.
Bye.